When it comes to Model A production, 1929 was the high water mark. The manufacturing issues that kept 1928 production numbers low were all but eliminated, and Ford's assembly plants were running at full capacity for most of the year. 1,561,661 Model A passenger cars were assembled around the world in 1929. Now, 1929 is an interesting year because Ford records separated out cars with the 1930 styling that were produced in 1929 for the 1930 model year. This video is going to focus on those vehicles produced in 1929 for that model year, and we'll mention those 1930 model year cars in the 1930 video. Here's the breakdown of Model A's produced in 1929. Just like 1928, the Town Car was the lowest produced vehicle in 1929. 1,013 of these high-end people movers were built. Originally, the contract with Briggs called for 2,500 bodies to be supplied to Ford, but that contract was ripped up in September of 1929 due to incredibly bad sales. The Taxi was again a low-produced vehicle in 1929. 4,837 of the 4 higher-intended cars were assembled. Ford made some moves in 1929 to begin upgrading the appearance of their body styles, and the Cabriolet was a big move up in styling. 16,871 of the elegant convertible with roll-up windows drove out of Ford assembly plants. The business coupe was a relatively strong seller with 38,577 of the closed cars selling in 1929. That year saw an attempt at dressing up the no-frills business coupe by adding an oval window to the rear quarter of the car. The standard four-door, body number 165A, was introduced in January of 1929 and was also referred to as a three-window four-door. That is, it had a window in each door and one in the rear quarter. 51,134 examples of the standard three-window were produced. In the middle of the pack for production when it comes to quantity, the Phaeton had a solid production run with 90,275 examples built. The Town Sedan was another new for 29 body style. It was a dressed-up standard four-door that came standard with cowl lights and a nicer interior. 86,110 of these sedans found their way to buyers. The Sport Coupe continued to be a solid seller in 1929, with 138,401 of the attractive soft tops selling throughout the year. The four-door sedan, which started out in 1929 as the 60A, requires a couple asterisks when talking about production numbers for 1929. The car initially remained relatively unchanged from 1928, except that the top material was changed to black from the seal brown color the preceding year. Then, in May of 1929, that was replaced by the 60C, unique that the leather was changed to a visible steel back. This steel back was only produced for 2 or 3 months in the summer of 29. To further complicate tracking, the 170A was introduced in July of 1929. This was again a steel back four-door that was a different construction from the 60C. Since all 4 body styles, the 60A, the B, the C, and the 170A are combined in the Ford records, we can say that 166,126 of the Blindback Series four-doors were produced in 1929. There have been studies done breaking down the specific production numbers for each, but we'll save those for another day. The coupe started in 1929 as a special coupe, where the top material extended down to the belt molding of the body. The special coupe was phased out by July of 1929, and the standard coupe returned to production. Ford did not keep separate production records for the 2 types of coupes, but combined, 183,720 drove out of Ford assembly plants. The Model A with the lowest amount of frills was the Roadster, but its low price kept it a strong seller in 1929. 203,349 of the convertible saw their way to dealers as the second best-selling Model A that year. The two-door sedan was again the highest produced Model A, with 564,133 of the dependable Ford being built. 1929 proved to be a record year for the Model A, with an incredibly strong start to sales. But the October stock market crash would have a ripple effect across every aspect of life, and Ford sales began to show the impact in 1930. As always, we hope you continue to enjoy a Model A.